The Lexus LC500 is Japan's rolling sculpture, blending futuristic beauty with natural muscle. Priced from $95,000, it's powered by a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 singing to 471 horsepower. Its design is jaw-dropping dramatic curves, sharp lights, and a spindle grille that commands presence. Inside, craftsmanship shines hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and door panels shaped like origami folds. The ride is smooth yet thrilling, a grand tourer with balance. The exhaust growl is addictive, a reminder that Lexus can do passion as well as precision. The LC500 isn't about being the fastest, it's about being unforgettable.